Hi everybody, my name is Nicholas. I'm the Customer Experience Supervisor here at CanDrone. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at DJI Care Refresh, taking a look at the different plans and answering the final question, is it really worth it? DJI Care Refresh is included in the purchase of most enterprise DJI drones and payloads. You can also purchase it separately for most DJI consumer equipment. The service offers coverage options with unlimited replacements or free repair services for accidental damage. This includes crashing or signal interference. If an incident happens and you need to send your DJI drone back to DJI for repair, depending on which coverage plan you have, you will have the option to pay for the repairs or to use your Care Refresh coverage to get a low-cost replacement or a free replacement. With that said, let's go over the different coverage plans and what's included in each plan. Firstly, we have the SP Basic plan. This includes 2 low-cost replacements, and then this SP 2-year plan, which is essentially the SP Basic plan, but extended for 2 years. The difference between the two is with the 2-year coverage, you get up to 4 low-cost replacements, but with the SP Basic, you only get 2. But if you were to renew the SP Basic, then you would get another 2 replacements. So essentially it's just an extension. The low cost, it depends on which product you have that needs to be replaced. For example, for something like a Mavic 3, it would be somewhere along the lines of 800 to 1,000 Canadian dollars to get it replaced under that SP plan. So that's much better than having to pay for a whole new Mavic 3. And lastly, we have the SP Plus plan, which this plan lasts for 1 year, and it includes unlimited free replacements, unlimited free repair, and also it includes 1 standard maintenance service for whatever product you have under the coverage. So all SP plans come with free shipping to and from DJI. And with each plan, no matter what one you select, you get up to 3-year coverage. So with SP Plus, you renew it twice because each SP Plus lasts 1 year. With SP 2-year, you would essentially wait for your 2 years to expire, and then you would apply another SP Basic coverage to it. And then with SP Basic, same goes as SP Plus. You would renew it 2 times for a total coverage span of 3 years. So to give an example, let's suppose we have crashed our Matrice 350 drone into a tree and we got to send it back for repairs. So in all cases, no matter which coverage plan we have, we would create a case with DJI, and once they receive the equipment back, they would do an inspection to see what the repair cost would be. Once this is determined, DJI will send you a quote, and on the quote, it'll give you a rundown of exactly what component is broken and what needs to be repaired, as well as the option for you to utilize your Care Refresh coverage. So if you have SP Basic, again, it'll be a low-cost replacement fee, in which case DJI will just send you a new drone rather than repairing the one you've crashed. And with SP 2-year, same goes, but with SP Plus, they'll just give you the option to go ahead with a free repair or send you a free replacement. So the option is still in your hands. You get to choose whether you go with the repair or the replacement. So the final question, is DJI Care Refresh worth it? In my opinion, I would say it's absolutely worth it. I've been in many situations where I've had to operate something like the M350 and the L2, where you've invested all this money into this equipment. The last thing you want to do is crash it. If you have the SP Plus, you really don't have to worry about that, because if you do crash it, DJI will just replace it for you. That peace of mind that you get when you have the SP plan active, no matter if it's the SP Basic, 2-year, or SP Plus, it's really worth it just to get that peace of mind while you're flying. It really makes me personally more comfortable. The beauty about the SP Basic plan, or DJI in general, is they do include the SP Basic plan on pretty much any enterprise drone or payload that you get. So you're always getting that coverage, whether you buy Mavic 3 Enterprise, L2, you're always gonna get the SP Basic to go with it. It's really up to you if you wanna spend the extra money to get the SP Plus or the SP 2-year, just because it does come at a bit more cost because it's more, you get more of a service from DJI. Whether it's the 2-year, you get the extension, or with the SP Plus, you just get those huge benefits. The maintenance service alone with the SP Plus really lets you prolong the life of your drone and make sure it's in tip-top condition whenever you need to fly. So that's everything you need to know about the DJI Care Refresh plan. If you want to know more about this plan, feel free to reach out to me, Nicholas. You can reach me at customerservice@candrone.com. And if you like the video, follow us on social media, drop a like on the video, and we'll see you in the next one.